families, the dining area is the space where all the family members can meet, sit down, enjoy a very good meal, catch up on what is happening, or enjoy a very good family time. This space, as you can see, it's very beautiful, very well done, and very well planned to connect to the living room and the kitchen behind me. But before I take you through the tour of this home, let's start from the entrance. From the entrance, you are welcomed by a foyer that opens to the rest of the space. The units in this development are divided into two. You have the 4 bedrooms and the 5 bedrooms. Each 4 bedroom has a plinth area of 245 square meters, and each 5 bedroom has a plinth area of 295 square meters. The price for the 4 bedroom is 25.5 million, and the price of the 5 bedroom is 29.5 million. Right now, we are just 5 minutes from Yaya Center, just off Olendume Road, and this is Kilimani. From there, I'm very sure you can agree with me that the living room is magnificent. Very beautiful, very well done, and sufficient to fit an 8 to a 10-seater couch. On this side, you have the focal point of the unit, very beautiful space for all your electronics, and as you can see, the space is big enough to accommodate the 8-seater couch, and you have spaces behind the couch. If you do not have spaces behind the couch in where you are living right now, you have to agree with me that you are very poor, and we need to work hard. Let's see the balcony. The balcony to the living room is massive, as you can see, and it even has a space where you can create a little garden which comes with the aloe vera plants, and you still have some other greeneries just next to it. On the opposite side, you have a space in the balcony that is sufficient to have a 2-seater, and in that case, you can just sit here and enjoy some work. This is just a dummy MacBook. Let's get back inside. As you can see from there, we are just from the living room. Right here, we are at the center of the unit, and next to me, you have a breakfast table. This space will be very efficient, especially when you want to have a quick breakfast and head to work. The space can also be used as a mini bar for you to enjoy a pint after a long day. Cheers to you, my brothers and sisters. Let's continue. As you can see, the kitchen is beautiful, massive for you and your family, and it comes with a lot of cabinetry for your storage. Here, you have a double sink, and on the opposite side, you have your cooktop. Above it, you have your heat extractor, and on my far front, you have the smallest pantry that we have seen in a 4-bedroom home. Next to it, you have this space that has been left, and it will be sufficient for a double door like this one. The kitchen also comes installed with an oven and a microwave. This door takes you to the laundry area, and from here you have a massive space or enough space for your washer and dryer on the opposite side. The laundry area also comes with an extra sink. From here, I'll show you the common washroom, and later we will see the bedrooms. The common washroom comes with a very beautiful wash basin, and here you have a WC. The space also comes with all the other fixtures that you may require. This unit, as I said earlier, is a 4-bedroom, and this hallway takes you to the 4 bedrooms. Here you have the girls' bedroom. The boys' bedroom is on by the far end, and right to it you have the primary bedroom. This room will act as the guest bedroom. Let's see this one first. From the entrance, you are welcomed by the bathroom to this bedroom, which is a guest bedroom, and it comes with a vanity, a shower cubicle behind me, a WC, and a smart mirror. This bedroom is the smallest. It comes with the smallest space for a bed, and this bedroom will only be sufficient for a 4x6 or a 5x6 bed. The window is also the smallest. Let's see the girls' bedroom, and later we will see the boys' bedroom. The girls' bedroom is a massive space, very beautiful, very well done, and it comes with the best chandelier I have seen in a while. One thing to note is that this is a show house, and most of the things that you see in this unit will not be available in the unit that you purchase, especially things like this wall cladding or this wallpaper that have been done to the walls of these bedrooms. That other side is where you are getting your closet, and as you can see, it is floor to ceiling. It adopts the same concept that we will see in the other closets, and here we have the bathroom to this bedroom. The bathroom comes with a small vanity, actually slightly bigger than the one that we found in the guest bedroom, a WC, and a shower cubicle. These bathrooms are almost similar. From the girls' bedroom, we are heading to the boys' bedroom. If you have noticed, I'm barefooted. The cleanliness in this development is on another level. We have to do our shoots like this. Is that not madness? Okay, let's see the boys' bedroom actually. Just before you enter to the boys' bedroom, you are having this sculpture that magnifies the beauty. The same concept applies. From the entrance, you are getting to the boys' bathroom. It is slightly differently oriented. The shower cubicle is on this side, and all the other fixtures have been left to the other side. This bedroom is very slightly bigger than the girls' bedroom, and it comes with one of the biggest windows we have seen in the channel. I like this light fixture because it looks like a face, and the space is big enough to fit a 6x6 bed or a 5x6 bed. The closet is using the same concept, but this closet is slightly bigger than the one that we found in the girls' bedroom. Let's see the primary bedroom. Before we do, this bedroom also comes with a big space for a console table. In so many units we see, I don't get fascinated very fast, but this sculpture is just very beautiful. The bedroom door opens into the closet. So when you are living here, does it mean that you are living in the closet? Isn't that concerning? As you can see, the walk-in closet gives you a concept of how all the other closets in the other bedrooms look like. As you can see, they are all white inside with spaces for the shoes, drawers, and other spaces maybe for the hangable clothes. In the closet area, you have this dresser, maybe for you or your partner, but on the opposite side, you have the primary bathroom. From the entrance of the primary bathroom, you are getting the biggest shower cubicle for you and your partner. Behind me, you have your WC or your water closet. Here, you have a bathtub, and on my far front, you have a vanity setup. This bathroom also comes with thermal holders for you and your partner. One thing that the developer did is that he added a socket in the bathrooms for any other work that you might want to do, but the socket is covered just to make sure that you don't electrocute yourself and leave us to pay the China loan alone. I'll take you to the main bedroom. Wow, the primary bedroom is the biggest, and I think the developer understood that the people who bought these units are supposed to live here for the big part of their lives. This space has been done very well. It even comes with an extra space where you can do a small couch like this one. The space is big for a king size or a queen size bed, and you also have some spaces where you can do some side drawers. I like it that the developer improved this wall just to make sure that the aesthetics of this space are on point. The bedroom opens to this balcony that gives this bedroom a very vibrant look. As you can see, the balcony is massive, very well done, and it is even sufficient for you to do your vertical gardening. On the opposite side, you'll have an extra space where you can set or do a setup like this one for your enjoyment. The balcony is extensive to cover the length of the primary bedroom. That's why you can see it is even possible to plant real trees. I'll take you back inside. We have come to the end of the tour and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase these units by this developer or any other units by the same developer, make sure you call us in the contacts attached in the first comment. In the meantime, don't forget to check africanrealestate.com. Bye-bye.